Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is CJ English Wala. My name is Pankaj. I hope you are doing great and you are learning with great way. Today topic is very simple but most important because today topic is how to describe your daily routine in your own word. So I will share my daily routine. So it will help you to how to describe your daily routine in your own word. You just use only simple sentence. You just use simple tense, present tense. You will have to use when you try to describe your own daily routine. So what all I do in my daily life? So I want to share this thing with you. Let's start describe my daily routine. So I wake up early morning at 5 o'clock. Then I take a bath. Then I worship to God. Then I do meditation for 30 minutes. Then around 7 o'clock, I use CV apps. And around 1 hour, I spend on test apps. Then after 8 o'clock, I read some English content. I watch some English contents on YouTube for 30 minutes, for 20 minutes at least. Then after 9 o'clock, then I take a news. I read only Hindi news. I don't prefer to English news. And earlier I used to read English news when I started learning English, but that times I found it difficult a lot to understand. So I quit to the English news. I just read Hindi news to update with current affair. Then I use computer for few few minutes. I use computer. Then I take a class, and I am learning digital marketing course. So I take a class around one. Then I take a lunch around 2 am. Then I take a rest and uh, then in the evening time I watch some conversation video. I read some English contents and I try to speak and sometimes I use a practice app to speak with co-learners to improve my English language. So it's all about my daily routine. And in around 9 o'clock, I take a dinner and go to bed around 11 o'clock. So it's all about my daily routine. Yes, I feel nervous. That's why I am not able to speak well. But I am not able to speak well with confidently. So you can understand I am learning English and I am a beginner. So everyone's faces this type of problems, what I face. So you can understand my point. And if you visit my video first time, so please subscribe, share, like my video.